Okay, so using these commands on the Ubuntu side, I was able to kind of double check what I was doing by cheating and opening up a folder and opening up the file and kind of double clicking on it through this interface over here. But let's say if I'm on my Metasploitable machine and I don't have any of that, how can I kind of tell what I'm making is actually working? Okay, so if you remember before I do an ls, I have a vulnerable location. Let's say I wanted to make a new directory. So let's kind of mirror what we had going on the Ubuntu side by doing an mkdir, and I'll make a James directory on my Metasploitable machine as well. Now when I do an ls, you see I now have vulnerable as well as James. All from this location, I'll use the touch command to make a test file, and this one I'll actually put inside James. So I'll touch by doing James/test. And now this way I could make a file inside my James folder that I just made. Let's confirm that I actually did it by doing an ls of what's inside James. Okay, and now when you do an ls of what's inside James, all from here, from the same location, we see my test file has been put inside there. And now let's take it a step further and practice more with our echo command. Say, hello everyone, exclamation point, and then I'll do my double arrow to send that to, again, I'm not even in the location, so I need to say I wanted to send to the James directory, to the test file inside of there. Okay, and how can I now see? Before I could go over and I could double click on the file to kind of check and see what the contents actually were. How would I see it now? A way you can do this is through the cat command. So in Linux there's a cat command, and cat will spit out the contents of the file. It'll just try to read it out right here at the terminal. So if I say cat, my file is located inside James and it's called test, so I'm going to cat out the contents of test, and you'll see it spits out hello everyone. Okay, so this is the cat command, a very useful way to just spit out the contents of a file without actually opening it in an application like Word or something like that, or LibreOffice or Notepad. You just spit the contents right out at the terminal. So echo and cat and touch, very useful commands for being able to see contents of files and to be able to modify them kind of on the fly here at the terminal.